Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are tuning in for the first time, my name is Queen Pearl, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back babes, welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys, and I'm going to be doing actually an unboxing of this video kit that I just purchased recently. It's very cute. It looks very small for what it's supposed to do, so let's see. All right, so this is how the box looks like. It's supposed to have a mic, a light, and is it a phone holder, a universal phone holder, plus this tripod thing, together with a remote control. So yeah, let's see. And this is how the back looks like, with a bit of instructions, I guess. Yeah, okay, let's see. Ooh, okay. All right, so this is how it looks like. Let me just show you guys what is inside, or let me show you like step by step what it comes with. All right, so this is a tripod, I think, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is the tripod, right? And then here we have like the square light. It actually looks like there's a battery. Let's see. No way. I need to buy batteries. Okay, anyway. Since it's a vlogging light, I don't actually have to charge it. Okay. Then we have this. This is the phone holder. Okay, and then this must be the remote control. Also, I can also take pictures. Okay, cute. Just looks like a selfie stick remote control. Focus. Yeah. And the little mic, which I never had. Okay, this is new. I wonder how it works. Okay. Then we have this. It's like an aux cable, I think. I think this is for the mic. Here. All right, so let me try to put it together. Hopefully I don't break anything.
You know just what you do to me. Play my emotions like a pair of puppet strings. Did it ever occur to you my heart's more than a toy? Please go easy on.
And then 1 2 1 2 match. What's up about? Okay, let me look for batteries and then I try this out. Yeah, I'll be back with you guys on a GB.
Me, babe. Send message after message, forward my calls.
That's with the ring light. Let's try with this new video kit. Okay, so this is with the camera recording kit. It's okay. Oh shit, my face is really weary. Okay, this is with the help of the ring light. Let's switch off the ring light and we see how it will be. Okay, still okay. Okay, so think if you're like in perfect lighting, it will be okay, but if you're like me and your room is dark, you will need the ring light as well. So yeah, this is cute. Let me try the mic. Okay, and this. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next one.